Okay, so let's have a look at program arguments in Java. I'm just going to make a new Java class and I'm going to call it add. And the main method of this program that we always write, public static void main string array args. This args that we always pass into the main method, this is the program arguments, and if we're running the program from the command line, any parameters we pass to the program will be converted into this string array. So if I could now build classes and make the program much more complicated, but to demonstrate the program arguments, I'm just going to take two numbers that are input into the input as parameters into the program, add them together and write them to the console. So first thing I want to do is validate the parameters. So what I'm going to do is say if args.length is not equal to 2, because this is what our program is going to do, it's going to add two numbers together, then we're going to system out print line, please enter two numbers, and I can exit there, so everything else I'll do in an else. And now I'm going to do a try and a catch number format exception. And in here I'm going to try and convert the two numbers to double values. So I'm going to say double number 1 equals double value of args 0. We've already checked that the argument's length, that this is an array with a length of 2, so we don't need to worry about an array index out of bounds exception. I'm going to add those two numbers together. If it turns out one of them isn't a number, I'm just going to system out print please enter two numbers, one of your parameters is not a number. I'm going to add the numbers together for total, and I'm going to write the total value is total. So totally simple program. We're going to enter two parameters as arguments to the program, add them together and write them to the console. So now let's get a console. So here I have my console. I'm going to cd into the bin directory. So now we are in the base of the compiled source code, and now I can run the program. I need to add Java to the class path, but I'll just hard code the path to Java. So that's the command to run Java. Now I need to put the full package name. Add. So I've added the full package name and the class name. Now if I run that with Java, get please enter two numbers, because I didn't enter two numbers. Now if I put A1 then I'm going to get a number format exception, but I'm not going to output much of an error. Please enter two numbers. One of your parameters is not a number. But if I enter two things that can be converted into a number, 1 and 2, I get the total value is 3. So this is demonstrated how we can enter arguments into our program, which is extremely useful, particularly if you're writing things that are going to be run from the command line. Thanks for watching.